This is a short overview over the selection of Seagull chronographs which I have available. This is the famous Seagull 1963 with sapphire crystal, 37.5 millimeters. This is the Seagull 1963 with acrylic crystal. Same watch, just another crystal, acrylic, instead of sapphire. This is the Seagull also with the famous column-wheel caliber, ST19, that's an old Venus caliber, with black dial and acrylic crystal. This is the same version with silver dial, very decent, elegant watch, also with acrylic crystal. If you like bigger watches, this is the model Seagull 1963 with 42 millimeters diameter and mineral crystal. And last but not least, this is the Panda version, 42 millimeters, white and black dial. So that's a big selection and it's not easy to choose.